Be taking a look at BPMX, brought to us over here on Investors Hangout, currently at 79 cents. We looked at this stock on March 17th, quite a while ago now. It feels like forever. But right here, there we go. Right here in this area, I said steady rise, volume picking up, resistance at 58, support at 51 and 48. All gaps filled. Watch for buying pressure. Could move up from here. So you guys essentially came back down to that 20-day simple moving average and went sideways. And look at, here comes that buying volume. Pow, right up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful move here. There's going to be gaps all over the place. Honestly, there's gaps all over the place. 75 going to be a little bit of a support. 82 is going to be hitting that resistance that we see over here. I would probably put that level up here a little bit higher at the 84. The 82 seems to be a little high for, in my opinion, but 80 is going to be that resistance level over here as well. But you guys just broke through that, as like I said. So that being said, 84 is going to be the next one following up off of that. There's not much resistance from there that's going to really hold this thing down too much. I mean, you guys, if you guys got up to the $1.11 area, I'm just saying, if you, the dollar area, if you guys got up to $1, this thing can go up to $2 in a blink of an eye. Just my personal opinion. But right now, you guys got a ways to go to get to that. Again, there's gaps all over the place. But I'll hand this off to Joe. Hopefully, he's got something else to add.
All right, so these guys right here, they had a press release on, I lost everything just now. Shit. See, I was trying to pull up because I'm seeing tons of Form 4s. So I wanted to look at that, and then I just accidentally crossed out of everything. That's that. All right, so their latest press release, I'm just going right back to it. I'll get started from there. Oh, it was on April 20th. So it was BioPharmX completes last subject visit in its phase 2B trial of BPX-01, expects to report top-line results first half of May 2017. So BioPharmX Corporation, and they're traded on the NASDAQ market or New York Stock Exchange market. They changed the name a little bit. All right, so American specialty pharmaceutical company developing products for the dermatology market announced the last subject visit in its phase 2B trial was on March 24th, 2017, and the vast investigational site closeout visit was April 7th, 2017. Based on the timing of the study completion, the company now plans to announce top-line data from the trial in the first half of May. So the phase 2B study was a dose-finding clinical trial to assess the efficiency and safety of BPX-01 for the treatment of acne vulgaris. The 12-week multi-center randomized double-blind 3-arm vehicle-controlled study involves 225 individuals aged 9 to 40 who have moderate to severe inflammatory non-nodular acne vulgaris. BPX-01 is a hydrophilic non-oil-based topical gel with fully solubilized minocycline that can penetrate the skin to deliver the antibiotic to where acne develops in the pilospheris unit. The company expects to present complete data from the trial to the medical community at Alabama Dermatology Society's Dermatology Summer Synopsis June 22nd through the 25th in Sandestin, Florida. So that was their latest press release on actually yesterday. And then what I was looking at was I've seen a lot of Form 4s, so I was pulling them up to see. They're all from April 20th for the period ending April 18th. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So, I mean, it's definitely something to look into and do your due diligence on, see what these Form 4s are about, because they're all buys. I just didn't get a chance to pull up the numbers on if they were purchases or they were awarded or whatnot. All right, so if you have an opinion on the company or you're looking to do more due diligence on BioPharmX, just go right over to that BPMX board. From there, you see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post them right over there on that BioPharmX Corporation board.
All right, BPMX, like I said, with the chart right now, 82. Resistance at 80, 84, 94. Again, I mean, you guys are right there. It can still pull down a little bit still today, but that resistance is still at 80. I just want to put that in there because, I mean, right now, still early in the day, it could pull down a little bit from there, but just in case it does, I want to add that in there. So that's why I put that there. 84, 94 off of that. Support 71, 65, 64, 58. Again, I know those are close together, but following up off that 21, where's that at? That, all right, so that's actually supposed to be 61. Here we go, 61, 65, 61. Make sure I have that updated here. Give me a quick second here so I can update that in mine. There we go. All right, keep track of everything that we talk about here so I can scan them quickly. And that's what we just did right there. Volume is steady. All right, there are a lot of gaps in here. I'm even more for me to even go through and fill. But so keep an eye on that as well between the 73 area and 74. You got a wick fill either way, but I still think it might have a few days here. Might have a few days here before it gets too overextended, but right now the volume is still picking up and nice and steady. BPMX, if you follow this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. And that like button if you feel that this video helped you in any way. Join us for our next live show at investorshangout.com/live.